Oh, yes. Just looking at the meaning of due process, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Yeah. Now, the due process clause in the 15th Amendment applies to federal crimes and federal criminal prosecutions. The federal due process clause is mirrored in the 14th Amendment, which guarantees due process of law in state criminal prosecutions. Most states have similar provisions in their constitutions. The Missouri Constitution, oh. I thought I wasn't getting any due process, and I thought it was guaranteed. Yeah. Now, when you issued that protection order, that civil due process. Well, there were a number of arrests where I wasn't in Sequim, Washington, and I told Officer Larson that, but they decided to prosecute. Pooch. Then I had the evidence that I wasn't there, but you wouldn't admit the evidence. You had to put me in a mental institution because you have to cover up your crimes of kidnapping, child abduction, forgery, fraud. Ooh. In fact, this morning I was thinking I should call my public defender and find out what's happening with the case in Jefferson County. But I thought when you wouldn't allow me to call any witnesses on my behalf, Brennan, Washington, yes, and you didn't want the evidence, Port Angeles Police Department, that I was sitting right here on June 16th of 2017, I thought for sure I'd been deprived of life, liberty, and property for the last, 2.5 years. Now, you're wanting me to get a job and you want me to start doing what you say. Approach. I was wanting to sue you, the judiciary, Jefferson County, the state of Washington, and the Department of Transportation in every state of the United States. It seems when you have a badge on, pooch, you do have it available to enforce the actual laws of the United States. Now, I'm not going to call my public defender because when he called me at 20 minutes to 5 on September 24th and told me I didn't have to appear in court, I said, well, you call me anytime, okay? Because I'm wanting to file a large number of lawsuits against those that got Now, it seems that in this criminal pre-law book, yes, you cannot deprive me of my life restoration laws. You cannot deprive me of my property. Now, that could be the lawsuits that you're obstructing today. Ouch! And then there's this whole concept of, liberty, as in I'm still on personal recognizance. Yes, I'm on PR. Is that right? You're going to arrest me at any time and put me back in jail. I'm thinking I can sue every employee of the Department of Transportation.